Welcome to the channel. Let us talk about another important test related to speedometer, and that is lighting and display legibility test. Related to analog speedometers and digital speedometers. The objective of this test is to evaluate how well the speedometer display remains visible under various lighting conditions, performs in daylight, nighttime, fog and glare, responds to changes in ambient light, maintains contrast, brightness, and clarity. This test identifies weaknesses in backlighting, display material, viewing angles, and light sensor response. Regarding analog speedometer, what to test? That is, parameter, backlight uniformity, to ensure that the dial is evenly lit at night. Night visibility, check that markings, numbers, and needle are clearly visible in low light. Daylight contrast, verify the dial markings are legible in bright sunlight. Sunlight glare, test for glass reflection and readability at different angles. Needle visibility, ensure needle color oblique contrast stands out clearly in both light and dark conditions. LED bulb failure detection, test if any light zone dim or fail over time. Glove use and eyeglass legibility, ensure readability with minimal head movement. Testing methods. Ride. Ride under tunnels, shaded roads, direct sun, and city streets at night. Use light meters to measure illumination levels. Conduct testing during dusk, dawn, or transition visibility. Record rider feedback for readability rating 1 to 5. Regarding digital speedometers, what to test? Screen brightness, that is the display bright enough under direct sunlight? Auto dimming functionality, does brightness adjust automatically in changing ambient light? Backlight uniformity, are all segments or pixel evenly lit? Glare reflectivity, is the screen visible through reflections or polarized visors? Contrast ratio, are numbers and icons easy to distinguish? Viewing angle, test from off-center position, especially when rider is leaning. Pixel clarity in vibration, that is, check if vibrations blur or distort pixel readability. Flickering or lag in cold. Cold can affect LCD refresh rates. Test for blurring or delay. Testing method. Use again lux meter or light sensor to log screen brightness. Ride with sun directly behind rider and oncoming. Test with clear and tinted helmets visors. perform night rides in full darkness and simulate urban areas, simulate headlight reflections from behind or opposite traffic, record behavior under extreme cold and heat. Additional tests for both the types, for analog and digital, scenario and purpose. Rainfall simulation. Check legibility with droplets or condensation on lens. Glove use simulation. Can the display still be seen clearly while wearing gloves? Sunset to night transition ride. Observe gradual change in visibility. Tunnel or underpass ride. Sudden light drop. Does backlight respond fast? Battery voltage drop. Does display dim or reset during cranking or heavy load? Rider feedback metrics regarding this test to be rated at the scale from 1 to 5. Feedback category, daylight readability, yes, applicable to analog and digital. Nighttime illumination, yes, applicable to analog and digital. Glare or reflection issues, yes, applicable to analog and digital. Needle digits clarity, applicable to analog and digital. Comfort at a quick glance, applicable to analog and digital. Backlight adjustment auto, not applicable to analog and digital if supported. Reaction in sudden light change, applicable to analog and digital. Tools and equipment required, lux meter or oblique ambient light sensor. Number two, GoPro camera to record legibility while riding. Number three, helmet with tinted visor to simulate real-world riding. Number four, mobile app to log light level, which is optional. Number five, field test log sheet with dedicated lighting and legibility section. With this, we conclude our discussion on this special test applicable to speedometer. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you and thank you very much.